That little fellow has smoke coming out of his chimney.
Fantastic.
Isn't it fascinating? I never get tired looking at it.
I have a real interest in anything that models or miniatures.
Oh,
Just anything like this.
there's the other.
I love this stuff.
There's a tunnel. I've got a tunnel over there. See? And they all come through the tunnel. The two trains that run on this track come through the tunnel.
What did you make the rock wall from?
Well, I did a wooden frame first with scantling and covered it with chicken wire and then soaked the old cloths in plaster of Paris.
Yes.
Put that all in and I painted it.
Yes, I was wondering if it was paper or cloth.
All
Is it
cloth,
bigger
yeah. Just dipped it in the plaster of Paris and then painted it.
The
whatever I
cloth
wanted.
gives it a really nice texture.
Oh
It
yes.
looks like rock. Fantastic. Oh my god.
It's lovely at night when they have all the lights on. See the little cabin up in the woods over there?
Oh my goodness.